The Knowledge Library Daily Current Affairs, News Headlines 15th December 2023. National News. The government today told Parliament that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been conferred with the highest national awards of 14 countries since 2014 in recognition of his leadership at bilateral, regional, and global levels. Information and Broadcasting Minister Anurag Singh Thakur said that his ministry set up the Film Facilitation Office (FFO) in December 2015 to create greater ease of filming in India for international filmmakers and to promote India as a filming destination. High Commissioner of India to Sri Lanka Gopal Bagle has said that the people of Sri Lanka have gratitude, deeper trust and a deeper desire to work with India ever since India assisted the island nation. President Draupadi Murmu today felicitated the winners of the National Energy Conservation Awards, National Energy Efficiency Innovation Awards, and National Painting Competition on Energy Conservation 2023 at a function in New Delhi. 13 opposition MPs of Lok Sabha and 1 of Rajya Sabha have been suspended for the remainder of the winter session for their unruly behavior in the House. Union Women and Child Development Minister Smriti Irani today stressed that more opportunities need to be created for women entrepreneurs in the field of mobility, aside from digital empowerment. Union Agriculture Minister Arjun Munda inaugurated ASEAN India Millet Festival in New Delhi today. Both the Houses of Parliament today witnessed continuous disruption following opposition uproar over yesterday's Lok Sabha security breach incident. The Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha have been adjourned for the day. The fourth Foreign Office consultations between India and Botswana were held in Botswana capital Gaborone today. Coal Ministry's Government e-Marketplace, GEM, procurement has reached over 34,000 crore rupees, exceeding the target of 21,000 crore rupees in the current fiscal year. The Power Ministry today said that in the past 9 years, 1.93 lakh megawatt additional power generation capacity has been added to the country. Government today informed the Lok Sabha that there are 31.64 crore active domestic LPG consumers in the country as of 1st November this year. The government today said that DGCA has not undertaken any study on the potential effect of 5G signals on safe aircraft operations. 8 security personnel have been suspended in yesterday's security breach incident in the Lok Sabha. The suspended personnel are from different security agencies including Delhi Police. The action has been taken against them for security lapses in Parliament. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has celebrated 2 years of Kashi Vishwanath Corridor. Sharing a post on social media by MyGov India, the Prime Minister said Kashi continues to prosper. The centre has said over 36,000 crore rupees have been collected as toll fees at national highways through FASTag till last month in the current fiscal. India's permanent representative to the UN Ambassador Ruchira Kamboj said that India's initiative to include the African Union as a permanent member of the G20 under its presidency is a significant step. The Global Partnership on Artificial Intelligence (GPAI) Summit adopted the New Delhi Declaration yesterday in New Delhi. The declaration has been unanimously adopted by all 29 member nations of the GPAI. The government has taken several initiatives for equal opportunities and the welfare of women along with ensuring their safety and security. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has congratulated Donald Tusk on his appointment as the Prime Minister of Poland. Information and Broadcasting Minister Anurag Singh Thakur has congratulated the newly elected Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh Vishnu Deo Sai and Deputy Chief Ministers Arun Sao and Vijay Ratan. Delhi Police Special Cell has registered a case under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act (UAPA) in the Parliament security breach incident. On National Energy Conservation Day, today, Union Minister of Road Transport and Highways Nitin Gadkari has called upon the people to be conscious of their choices for a brighter future. India has urged world leaders at the Global Climate Talks COP28 to implement the Paris Agreement in letter and spirit through the global stocktake process while maintaining the focus on the principles of equity and climate justice. The Union Home Ministry has ordered an inquiry into the Parliament security breach incident on a request from Lok Sabha Secretariat. State News. Vice Admiral Sandeep Nathani, AVSM, VSM, Chief of Material, Indian Navy commissioned in Sturmugli, a fast attack craft, FAC, at an impressive ceremony held today at Naval Dockyard, Vishakhapatnam under the aegis of the Eastern Naval Command. In Mizoram, the first sitting of the 9th Mizoram Legislative Assembly concluded this afternoon with Speaker Lalbiatsma pronouncing Ajahn Sindai. Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal has announced the closure of 8 toll plazas located in the state. These include 7 toll plazas operated by the Public Works Department. Wagon Depot of Vijayawada Division, South Central Railway, SCR, has been awarded first prize in National Energy Conservation Awards 2023 in Railway Workshops sector on the occasion of National Energy Conservation Day. Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal announces regularization of 210 unauthorized colonies in 13 districts. In Chhattisgarh, Chief Minister Vishnu Deo Sai presided over the first meeting of the state cabinet today. Deputy Chief Ministers Arun Sao and Vijay Sharma were also present at the meeting. In Rajasthan, BJP Legislature Party leader Bhajan Lal Sharma will take oath of office tomorrow. In the IT raid at the house of Sohrab Ali, former TMC MLA, has continued for 18 hours. Income tax personnel have gathered many important documents in his place. The Enforcement Directorate, ED, has submitted the documents related to the source of income of Trinamool Congress General Secretary and CEO of Leaps and Bounds Company Abhishek Banerjee before the Calcutta High Court today. In Uttar Pradesh, the Allahabad High Court today allowed a court-monitored survey of the Shahi Eidgah premises adjoining the Sri Krishna Janmabhoomi temple in Mathura. Delhi Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena and Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal today flagged off 500 electric buses in the national capital. The rescue and relief operation by the Indian Army, which commenced yesterday, continued till early morning hours today. Puducherry Chief Minister N. Rangasamy today inaugurated the circuit sitting of Central Administrative Tribunal, CAT, Chennai bench at Puducherry. Ruling Congress legislator and former Minister G. Prasad Kumar has been unanimously elected as Speaker of the 3rd Assembly of Telangana. In Jammu and Kashmir, the administration has ordered officers including deputy commissioners to reach out to people at the grassroots level, conduct public hearings, and send monthly reports to the Chief Secretary. Sikkim offered a warm farewell to the Dalai Lama this morning. Devotees gathered to seek a final glimpse and blessings of the spiritual leader as his motorcade sped towards Libing Army helipad for his departure for Salugra, West Bengal. Madhya Pradesh government will set up PM College of Excellence in all districts of the state. The decision to this effect was taken at the first cabinet meeting chaired by new Chief Minister Mohan Yadav in Bhopal yesterday. In the aftermath of Cyclone Mithun in Chennai and Tiruvallur, the oil leak was found in Enno Creek at Chennai Petroleum Corporation Limited, CPCL. Tamil Nadu Pollution Control Board has asked the company to take necessary action. International news. President Vladimir Putin has said that Russia's goals in Ukraine remain unchanged. Bangladesh is observing the Martyred Intellectuals Day to mark the day of brutality when Pakistani forces killed hundreds of intellectuals, including teachers, doctors, journalists, and others in Dhaka and other parts of Bangladesh in 1971. Tropical cyclone Jasper, which hit Australia, weakened into a low-pressure system but continued to lash the northeast coast today with flooding rain and left almost 40,000 homes and businesses without power. Australian High Commissioner to India, Philip Green, has said that his country takes attacks on Hindu temples very seriously and has a lot of experience in dealing with such situations. Sports news. In Khelo India Para Games, Haryana has maintained the lead in medals tally with 88 medals including 34 gold and 36 silver. Uttar Pradesh is in second place with 24 gold while Tamil Nadu is third with 17 gold. Today, the competitions were held in football, shooting, table tennis, and weightlifting. In hockey, India made a semi-final exit from the FIH Men's Junior World Cup 2023 after a crushing 4-1 defeat against Germany in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia today. In women's cricket, India were 410 for 7 in the one-off test against England at the D.Y. Patil Sports Academy in Mumbai today. Earlier, India women's team skipper Harmanpreet Kaur won the toss and opted to bat first. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead. Like, share and subscribe our channel.